This writing is what I call keeping a record of life. Writing is my gift and God's blessing, a beautiful need that I enjoy sharing with you. Lathered Layers is a garden of poetry, short skits, short stories, words of wisdom, including Dana Dances on Paper, the remix. In order to fully understand and enjoy Lathered Layers, you must get at Dana Dances on Paper. Yeah. Many readers wanted to know whatever happened to Dana and Jamie after their sweet vacation in Jamaica. Well, here it is. Enjoy. The author, Darcel Turner. Purchase your copy, Lathered Layers, at barnesandnobles.com, amazon.com, and on Kindle Books, wherever books are sold.